I'm your geography teacher and today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 2, population dynamic. What is population? The number of people living in a region or a state or a country is called population. World's total population is equal to 7.4 billion. It means the number of people living in the world is about 7.4 billion at an average density of 45 persons per square kilometer. Average density means the number of people living in 1 square kilometer area of land is called density of population. According to the population, the world can be broadly divided into 3 regions: densely populated regions, moderately populated regions and sparsely populated regions. Now, in densely populated regions, why these regions are densely populated? Because the land is level up, it has fertile soil, the climatic condition is favorable for agricultural purposes, it has good transport network, okay, the region is agriculturally developed, it has many large cities and industries, and the regions which are densely populated are Eastern Asia, South and South Asia, Southeast Asia, Western and Central Europe and East Central North America. Next, moderately populated region. This region found in continuous belt. There has been improvement in existing economic activities such as irrigation, mining or development of new industries, and these regions are Central USA, Central America, coastal areas of South America, Western and Northern Africa, South Africa, Southern Russia, Eastern Europe, Central China, Deccan Plateau in India and Southeast Australia. Last one is sparsely populated region. This region has harsh climatic condition, and because of harsh climatic conditions, this region is not suitable for agricultural purposes as it receives scanty rainfall and which is insufficient for plant growth. And these regions are Amazon and Zaire basins, Antarctica and tundra, Himalayas, Rockies and Andes mountains, Sahara and Kalahari deserts, West Australian and Atacama. Now, the population are of two types: overpopulation and underpopulation. Overpopulation means the excess one, above the limit. Overpopulation, it is a condition where the human population exceeds the carrying capacity of a region. For example, China, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda and Ethiopia are some example countries of overpopulated. What has its impacts? It has high birth rate, it has low death rate, poverty, illiteracy, and it has better medical facilities. Underpopulation is a condition. The next one is underpopulation. It is a condition where the population of a particular region is too small to fully utilize the available resources. Underpopulation, in this region, the available resources is more than the population, is more than the number of people living in that region. For example, Canada, Iceland, Romania, Bulgaria, Latvia, Estonia and Georgia, Lithuania are some examples of underpopulated countries. What has that impact? What has its impact? Underpopulation, the impact of underpopulation countries, because it reduces fertility rate, it has large scale immigration, famine, the shortage of anything. It has war and political conflict. The factors affecting population of a region. The population of a region is influenced by various factors such as physical factors, economic and social factors. Now, physical factors include topography, climatic conditions, natural vegetation, type of soil, availability of water and mineral resources. While economic and social factors include industries, transport facilities, urbanization and government policies. Growth of population. It refers to the change in the number of population of a particular area between 2 points of time. For example, in the year 1999, the world's population is calculated around 25 million, and in 2000 the world population is calculated around 27 million. Difference between these two years is known as growth of population, the change in the number of between 2 points of time. This change occurs due to two reasons: natural growth and migration. Natural growth is the difference between birth rate and death rate. The difference between birth rate and death rate is called the natural growth rate. Okay. When the birth rate is greater than death rate, there is increase in population, the population will increase. Similarly, when death rate is greater than birth rate, the population will decrease. There will be decrease in population. And migration is people moving into a country or people moving out of a country is called migration. Composition of population is population composition refers to the structure of population, and the composition is directly proportional to its growth and development, age, sex, rural urban divide and literacy level are some of the components of population composition. Hope you have understood the chapter. If you have any problem, then you can contact the school. Thank you.